Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows screen is black. First, you can do restart your computer. You can do that by pressing Alt key in the keyboard and press F4 key in your keyboard. Then your computer will be shut down and you can restart your computer. Then after you can try pressing Ctrl Shift Windows key plus B simultaneously to reset the graphic driver. Once it is done, scroll down. Now you need to press Ctrl Alt and Delete key in the keyboard. Then it will be open Task Manager like this. Then after you need to scroll down and find Windows Explorer. Okay, you can see it is right here. Just tap on it, tap on restart. Then it will be restart the Windows Explorer entirely. If that also not working, you have to come to the safe mode. To do that, go to start menu. You can press on power option. There is option called restart. Press the shift key in your keyboard. Then after while you are pressing the shift key, tap on restart. Then it will be restart the computer and come to the blue screen. So in that menu you can tap on troubleshoot option and advanced options, startup setting and restart. Then it will be restart your computer. Then after you will be see again a list of the options. Press 4 or F4 key in that list. Then you will be able to come to the safe mode. Okay, imagine you are in the safe mode right now. Now you need to right click on the start menu again. Go to device manager. Double tap on display adapters. Right click on your driver. Tap on update driver. You can choose search automatically for drivers. And if it is not working, choose the browse my computer for drivers. Select this one. Select your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the driver again. And if it is not working, right click on it, go to properties, go to driver option. If you install latest version of your driver, you can roll back that driver into the old version by just tap on rollback driver. If none of that method will be not working, you can uninstall the device, then after restart your computer. And also in the safe mode, you can go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows Update in the left side menu, tap on update history. Go to uninstall updates in here. Tap on latest updates you are installed on your computer. Then you will be able to find an uninstall kind of button in here. Just tap on it and uninstall the latest update. So in this case I can't uninstall these drive updates. So in your case you will be able to find the uninstall button in here. So other than that, you can test your hardware connection, wiring connection kind of thing also. So once you are go to the power option and pressing shift key and tap on restart, you will be able to come to the troubleshoot option menu. There is an option called startup repair. You can try to you can tap on that one. Then it will be try to start up the repair in the startup that is related to boot. So those are the methods you can try to fix Windows screen black. And if none of the methods are not working for you, you have to reinstall the Windows. There are several videos in my channel. You can see how to reinstall the Windows on your computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.